Hi everyone, this is Andrea. In today's tech tip, I'll show you how to use expressions and variables to automatically control part configurations based on the main dimensions of an assembly. When you configure an assembly, the main dimensions are often not the only inputs you need to manage. In this industrial rack, for instance, the height, the length, and the depth control the overall size. But several components also have checkbox inputs defined in their part studios. These checkboxes switch the braces and beams between open and closed profiles and the footplates between standard and reinforced variants. However, when the rack dimensions change, updating every checkbox manually can become repetitive. And more importantly, you need to remember which component configuration is appropriate for each size. In Onshape, you can now automate this process by converting checkbox inputs to logical expressions. To do that, right-click the component instance and select Change Configuration. Locate the checkbox input, right-click again, and select Convert to Expression. You can now replace the manual selection with a logical expression based on the assembly configuration variables. For this rack, the expression uses the three main assembly dimensions, together with some mathematical functions, to determine whether the open profile checkbox should be set to true or false. Each component can follow a different formula. After applying expressions to the braces, beams, and footplates, there is no need to add their checkboxes to the assembly configuration panel. Only the main design inputs remain. Now, when you change the rack dimensions, Onshape automatically re-evaluates the expressions, and the profiles and footplates switch to the appropriate configurations without any manual input. Expressions can also control checkbox inputs directly within an assembly configuration table, giving you the same flexibility when switching between different component options. This keeps your assembly configuration focused on the main dimensions, while the component variants automatically follow your design rules. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Onshape tech tips.